Exploring the world through sightseeing. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and exciting English phrase, sightseeing. This term is widely used, especially when we talk about traveling and exploring new places. So, let's dive in and understand what sightseeing really means and how you can use it in your conversations. Sightseeing is a term that combines two words, sight and seeing. In this context, a sight refers to something that is interesting to see, like a building, a natural wonder, or a historical monument. Seeing means looking at or observing something. So, when we put these words together, sightseeing means visiting places of interest, especially while on vacation or a trip. It's about seeing the sights, or the notable places and things in a particular area. Now, let's look at how to use the term sightseeing in sentences. This will help you understand its usage in everyday conversation. 1. Planning a trip. I'm going to Paris next month and have a long list of places for sightseeing. 2. During a trip, we spent the whole day sightseeing and took lots of photos. 3. Reflecting on a trip. One of my favorite parts of the trip was sightseeing in Rome's historic center. There are some common phrases that often accompany sightseeing. Let's explore a few. 1. Go sightseeing. We plan to go sightseeing as soon as we reach London. 2. Sightseeing tour. They offer a guided sightseeing tour of the city. 3. Sightseeing bus. A sightseeing bus is a convenient way to see the major attractions. It's important to understand the difference between sightseeing and tourism. While they are related, they are not exactly the same. Tourism is a broader term that includes all activities associated with traveling for leisure, business, or other purposes. This can include staying in hotels, eating in restaurants, and attending events. Sightseeing, on the other hand, specifically refers to visiting places of interest and seeing the sights. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, sightseeing. I hope you found this informative and helpful for your English learning journey. Sightseeing is a wonderful part of traveling and exploring new cultures. Remember, when you're on your next trip, you'll not just be traveling, you'll be sightseeing. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.